The Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 6 is a solid choice for professionals and business users looking for reliable, efficient performance in a portable, business-class laptop. With a sleek black design and an emphasis on functionality, it positions itself as a versatile option for those who need a balance of performance, mobility, and comfort. At its heart, the ThinkPad T14 Gen 6 is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 5 228-watt processor, part of Intel's latest generation of chips, offering a smooth and responsive experience for multitasking, office tasks, and even some light creative work. The integrated NPU, Neural Processing Unit, enhances real-time transcription, background blur for video calls, and adaptive performance, making this a great choice for those in fast-paced business environments or hybrid work settings. The 32 gigabytes of RAM ensures you can run multiple apps, handle large files, and keep many browser tabs open without any noticeable slowdowns. Combined with a 512 gigabyte SSD, this laptop offers swift boot times, quick file access, and reliable performance for everyday use. The 14-inch WUXGA display, 1920 by 1200 resolution, provides clear visuals with vibrant colors and sharp details. It's an excellent choice for office work, document editing, and browsing, though it falls just short of a full 1080p resolution in terms of pixel density. With wide viewing angles, it's comfortable for collaboration, making it easy to share the screen during meetings or group work. The 60 Hz refresh rate is standard for this type of machine, so while it's not geared for gaming or high-performance graphics work, it does its job admirably for productivity and media consumption. Real-world performance is where this laptop shines. For typical office and productivity tasks, it handles web browsing, emails, spreadsheets, and video conferencing effortlessly. Whether you're juggling several applications at once or working on a lengthy document, the ThinkPad T14 Gen 6 remains snappy and responsive. It's also a good option for light media consumption, offering decent quality for streaming video or watching presentations. For content creators, it's capable of handling photo and video editing tasks, though it's not going to match the performance of a machine with a dedicated GPU. Still, for everyday photo editing or light video work, this laptop holds up well. When it comes to gaming, don't expect this laptop to blow you away. The integrated graphics aren't designed for demanding AAA titles, but casual gaming and older games should run just fine on lower settings. For most users, this won't be a gaming laptop, but if you need something for occasional downtime gaming or light esports, it can handle it with no issues. On the thermal side, the ThinkPad T14 Gen 6 stays relatively cool under light loads. During regular tasks, it operates quietly, with the fan only occasionally kicking in when there's a noticeable spike in performance demand, such as during video calls or when exporting large files. For extended tasks like gaming or intense multitasking, the laptop can get warm, but it doesn't suffer from major thermal throttling or fan noise issues. It's easy to work with in your lap for extended sessions, though some users might find it a bit warm during long stretches of demanding work. Battery life is solid for a business laptop, though it's not extraordinary. The 50-watt-hour battery should last between 8 to 10 hours on moderate use like web browsing, document work, and media consumption. When working on more demanding tasks like video editing or running multiple apps, you may see the battery drop closer to 6 or 7 hours. Charging is quick, with a full charge taking a little over 1.5 hours, and the charger is compact enough to fit into a bag without adding too much bulk. The keyboard is one of the standout features of the ThinkPad series. The key travel is satisfying, with plenty of tactile feedback, making it a joy for long typing sessions. Whether you're writing reports, responding to emails, or even composing longer documents, the keyboard feels comfortable and reliable. The trackpad, though slightly smaller than some alternatives, offers excellent accuracy, palm rejection, and smooth scrolling. It's great for navigating through documents or web pages without any hiccups. In terms of connectivity, the ThinkPad T14 Gen 6 is well equipped for professionals who rely on external devices. It includes multiple USB-A ports, a USB-C port, an HDMI port, and even a microSD card reader. The inclusion of Thunderbolt 4 means you can easily dock the laptop, connect to high-resolution external monitors, or plug in additional devices. Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast, stable internet connections, and Bluetooth 5.2 is a nice bonus for connecting to wireless accessories. There's no Ethernet port, which could be a deal breaker for some users, but most will find the wireless options more than adequate. Build quality is where Lenovo really delivers. The ThinkPad T14 Gen 6 is built to last, with a tough plastic chassis that feels solid without adding unnecessary weight. At just 3.2 pounds, it's easy to carry around and won't weigh you down during a day of meetings or travel. The laptop feels rigid, and there's no noticeable flex in the keyboard or screen. While the plastic build doesn't have the premium feel of some higher-end aluminum models, it's more than durable enough for everyday use. For those seeking portability, the ThinkPad T14 Gen 6 is a great option. It's light, compact, and easy to carry around all day. Whether you're hopping from meeting to meeting or just need something for on-the-go use, this laptop won't slow you down. Plus, the matte black finish gives it a professional look, and it's not making it suitable for business settings. As far as competitors go, there are a few options in the same price range. The HP Elite Dragonfly is a solid alternative, offering similar performance but with a slightly more premium design. The Dell Latitude 7430 is another contender, boasting similar specs and performance, but generally at a higher price point. When compared to these options, the ThinkPad T14 Gen 6 holds up well in terms of value, especially if you're looking for something that balances performance with practicality. The ThinkPad T14 Gen 6 isn't perfect, but it does what it sets out to do very well. For professionals, business users, and students who need a reliable, lightweight laptop for daily tasks, it's hard to go wrong. The performance is solid, the build quality is excellent, and the keyboard and display make for a great overall experience. It won't handle heavy gaming or intense creative workloads, but for the vast majority of office users, creators, and casual gamers, this laptop offers excellent value for the price. In conclusion, the ThinkPad T Gen 6 is a great all-around option for business and everyday use, with its strong performance, excellent keyboard, and solid build quality. If you're in need of something portable, reliable, and capable of handling a full day's work, this one's worth considering. Just keep in mind that if you're after heavy gaming or demanding creative work, you might want to look elsewhere. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with the Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 6, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, happy computing.